Chell.
Sigaw siya. Nasaan si Chel?
Hello. I think you should read it. Hi, Tia's a friend. Do you have a new song coming up for Horizon?
Hey,
I actually written something kasabay ng Cold, and that's something that is released, but I don't even know if it's gonna see the light of day.
Yeah,
but I have something backed up.
I couldn't even record that one.
But we're gonna wait.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, yeah, but there will be something, so just wait.
I'm also trying to prepare something for the anniversary.
Yeah.
Because it's almost our debut anniversary again. Second debut.
Second year.
Oh yeah, July.
Teaser na. And of course, for our last post-it,
Just a song. For Marcus, ano po, masarap na ulam mo? I mean, your life, cute ng handwriting niya.
sino nagsulat?
Kuya Chris.
Kuya Chris!
Chris! Shout out to Kuya Chris.
Maparas ka ng handwriting pababa. My favorite food is cheese tonkatsu.
She's
Cheese
Tonkatsu.
tonkatsu. Yun ang recommendation mo for the
If you go to Korea, go to this place called Just Katsu. Sobrang sarap ng
Katsu.
cheese tonkatsu nila. What about you?
Okay.
Korea. Okay, we can try Korea. Favorite namin Horizon is Mom's Touch.
Mom's touch.
It's chicken
burgers.
spice.
Chicken sandwich. Ayan guys, marami na kayo nakukuha tips sa kanila when you go to Korea. One task.
Please send us.
One task for the both of you.
Okay, for both of us. As a member of a global pop group, how do you handle stress?
Thank you for the thumbs up.
Dito tayo sa hanap.
This is a very deep question. Wow.
It's not to be chosen.
Yeah, honestly, mental health is something that we prioritize as a group. Kasi marami na tayo beses, di ba, na we felt burnt. I mean, personally, for me. How about you?
Yeah, and I think it's normal din.
Yeah, it's normal kasi kumbaga our lives are always, our careers as idols never really stop kasi it's always another day to practice for the next performance, for the next appearance, because there are always our anchors here who are always showing support and love for us, so it's just right that we all support in the same effort as them or even more, and I think it's just like, give and take, and yeah, we love doing what we do and we're going to continue doing it.
Yeah, and that applies to everyone, not just for idols and this industry, for everyone, and students, workers, you guys, everyone has their own stress. Everyone has
K-pop fans din, di ba?
Yeah.
K-pop fans yan.
Yes.
mahirap kaya mag-vote gagawa.
Oo, ang hirap kayo mag-stream ng mga music
Hirap kaya
video.
bumili ng mga tickets.
Yeah, like everyone will go through stress at some point, and at some point you will feel burnt out. And I want you guys to know that it's really normal. And for me, what I do is I just listen to music, and my way of healing. And whenever you feel stuck, whenever you feel sad, just take it slowly, and just relax a little bit, and slowly but surely try to, stand up. Kaya niyo yan, guys. We love you. We're here.
Thank you so much, Horizon Vinci and Marcos! Palakpakan natin sila guys. That concludes our segment and we really enjoyed you guys talking to us here today. But before you guys go down, may we invite Miss Francesca Villar, Miss John Hedrew from KCC, and the President of PKCI, Miss J1 for a photo op. Thank you so much.